Welcome back to the channel, or hi if you're new here. I'm Elise, and today we're going to be learning how to crochet this super simple and easy scarf. This is a great project for beginners or if you're new to crochet, and I will be working through all the stitches with you as we use them. All you're going to need to get started on your scarf is some weight for acrylic yarn, a 5mm hook, and a pair of scissors, and we can go ahead and get started. Okay, to get started, we need to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, we're going to wrap the yarn around 2 of our fingers on our left hand, just like this. And then I'm pinching that yarn tail with my thumb. Taking my pointer finger on my right hand, I'm putting that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. And then I'm going to flip that second strand of yarn up and just pull it tight. Let's do that one more time. I'm wrapping the yarn around 2 of my fingers on my left hand, and I'm pinching that yarn tail with my thumb. Then taking the pointer finger on my opposite hand, I'm placing that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. And then I'm just going to flip that second strand of yarn up and pull it tight to make my slip knot. Okay, so we can go ahead and put our hook into our slip knot and pull it tight and get started on our chain. To make a chain, we're going to yarn over and just pull that directly through that loop on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull that directly through the loop on our hook, and you're making a chain. So your chain is going to equal the width of your scarf. So if you'd like a thicker scarf, go ahead and make more chains, or if you'd like a thinner scarf, you can make less chains. I'm going to go ahead and chain 36, and I will meet you back here. Okay, I just finished my 36 chains, and it ended up being about 9 inches long. So we're going to go ahead and get started on row 1. And for row 1, we're going to place 1 half double crochet into each one of our chains, starting in the second chain from the hook. So if you look at our chain, this here is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook right here. So we're going to put our very first half double crochet into the second chain. To make a half double crochet, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that second chain away, yarn over, and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops on the hook. Okay, let's do that again. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops on the hook, and you've just made your next half double crochet. So we're going to keep placing 1 half double crochet into each one of our chains until we reach the very last chain. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back here. Okay, I'm down to my last chain, as you can see here, so I'm going to make my very last half double crochet into that last chain, just like that. And you should end row 1 with 1 less half double crochet stitch than the number of chains that you made. So for example, I made 36 chains in total, so I should end this row with 35 half double crochets. So before every single row, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work over so we can start working back down in the opposite direction. And we can go ahead and get started on row 2. For row 2, we're going to place 1 half double crochet into the back loop only of each one of our stitches here. So if you look at the top of your work here, you'll see that you have these 2 V's. The one closest to you is going to be the front loop, and the one farthest away from you is going to be the back loop. So we want to place every one of our half double crochets into that back loop, just like that. Okay, and we're always going to skip over this chain that we made that does not count as a stitch. So let's make our first half double crochet, going into the back loop of that very first stitch, just like that. Okay. And we're just going to go ahead and make one half double crochet into the back loop of every single stitch until we get to the end of the row. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back here. Okay, I'm at the end of row 2, and I want you to be sure that you do not miss this very last stitch at the end. It's very easy to miss, and if you end up missing it, your work is going to get progressively smaller as you add rows. Okay, so I've made my last half double crochet. You should end every single row with the exact same number of stitches as you had in the previous row. So I had 35 stitches at the end of row 1, and I should have 35 stitches at the end of row 2 and every single row going forward. Okay, so again, before every row, we're going to chain 1 and flip our work over so we can work back in the opposite direction. And we're going to get started on row 3. Okay, so every row going forward is going to be exactly the same as row 2. We're going to skip over that chain that we made and place one half double crochet into the back loop of every stitch for the entire row. Then we're going to chain 1, turn our work over, and start the next row back in the opposite direction. Okay, so we're just going to keep adding rows exactly the same as row 2 until we're happy with the length of our scarf. So go ahead and keep making rows until you're happy with the length, and I will meet you back here. Okay, I'm at the end of my last row, and it should be looking something like this. And I ended up doing 148 rows in total. So to finish off my scarf, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my yarn. Okay, then I'm just going to pull that yarn tail up through the chain that I made and pull it tight. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and weave that yarn tail in. Okay, if you have any yarn tails left on your scarf, go ahead and weave those in. And once you've done that, you are all done with your new scarf and it is ready to wear. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I loved walking you through it. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. We're trying to hit 100,000 crocheters here on the channel. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial.